विश्वेशं माधवं धुण्डिं दण्डपाणिं च भैरवम् वन्दे काशीं गुहां गङ्गां भवानीं मणिकर्णिकाम्। Welcome devotees. In the coming few episodes, we will see other important Shivlings in Kashi. In this episode, we will see Adi Mahadev, Agni Dhruveshwar, Amareshwar, and Ashadeshwar. Adi Mahadev. As per chapter 68 of Kashi Khand, during Satyug, in response to devout prayers by Devas and Rishis, one Shivling emerged from the Bhumi and manifested itself. This Shivling came to be called as Adi Mahadev Ling. A person who performs puja and archana with sincere devotion at this temple will reach Lord Shiva's abode after death, even if he happens to die in any place other than Kashi. This powerful Shivling is located in a Shakti Peeth called Mahapeeth, and a devotee who sincerely prays to Lord Adi Mahadev in Kashi gets the punya equivalent to praying all Shivlings available in the entire world. The temple is located behind Trilochan Temple, Machodri, Varanasi. Devotees can travel up to Birla Hospital after Machodri by any vehicle and walk to this place through gullies. Alternatively, they can have a boat ride up to Trilochan Ghat and climb the steps. Agni Dhruveshwar. Kashikand chapter 100 states that devotees should undertake religious tour, that is yatra, of 11 Shivlings. This yatra is known as Ekadasha Maharudra Yatra. Ekadasha means 11. Agni Dhruveshwar is the first ling in this holy yatra. Devotees who worship Agni Dhruveshwar will attain Rudra Padavi, that is equivalent to Lord Rudra. Agni Dhruveshwar is also known as Jageshwar Mahadev and is located near Ishwar Gangi Talab. As per Kashikand, this pond was known as Agni Kund. Devotees can travel up to this temple in any vehicle as Ishwar Gangi is a famous place. Agni Dhruveshwar, that is Jageshwar Ling, is a very huge ling and biggest ling in Kashi. Amareshwar. Amareshwar Shivling is mentioned in Kashi Khand, chapter 69. This chapter states that there are several places of worship dedicated to Lord Shiva in Kashi, and various idols and shivlings have been brought from several other places by Nandi and installed in Kashi. From Ganga Sagar Tirth, one shivling by name of Amareshwar has been installed in the holy city of Kashi. Devotees who worship this ling will lead a long and happy life without any fear of untimely death. In other words, they will attain Amaratva. Worshipping this Shivling is equivalent to worshipping Amarnath Shivling in Himalayas. Amareshwar is located behind Lolark Kund, Badaini, near Assi, in a building at the underground level. People can travel up to Lolark near Assi, which is a famous landmark, and reach this place. Ashadeshwar. Importance of Ashadeshwar Shivling is given in chapter 97 of Kashikand, where Lord Shiva described the power of this Shivling. A devotee worshipping this Shivling is cleansed of all his sins and will lead a happy life. Ashadeshwar temple is a standalone temple and well maintained. Many devotees visit this temple. While the ancient Shivling is available towards the backside of the temple, within the last century, one noble person has installed a ling within the sanctum sanctorum of the temple. Devotees worship both the Shivlings. Worshipping Ashadeshwar Shivling is considered very important on Ashad month Purnima, that is Ashadi Purnima, which is also known as Guru Purnima. Ashadeshwar is located at Kashipura. People can travel almost up to this place by rickshaw or auto through a place called Lohatia.